Zoom, zoom, taking off, yeah, we flying. You ain't never seen nothing like it. We zoom in to Thailand, zoom, taking off, yeah, we flying. You ain't never seen nothing like it. We zoom in to Thailand, passport in my suitcase packed, ready to take off a Richie Mac. Travel OG, you already know that when you come here, you don't wanna ever go back. The food is crazy and the girls on fire, got me wildin' out when I be in Pattaya. Travel OG is here to guide you, that's true, you really gotta be a subscriber. Zoom Tribe, the heart of the channel. He the travel Kevin Samuel.
Wait. Hold up. I've been checking the analytics and y'all been cheating on me. So if you rock with me all the way to the end, and if you want to see more after that, zoom over to the Zoom to Thailand Patreon. Might be exactly what you're looking for. Tiers start at $5 and you can cancel at any time. Now it's on to the good news. It's time to activate your passports and get ready for Zoom Fest 2024. 12 days, 11 nights, 2 cities, 1 island, and the time of your life. You better eat your Wheaties and get plenty of rest because this is going to be non-stop action from the time you get off the plane. Zoom Fest 2024 is made for my Zoom Tribe subscribers and Patreon members. Non-stop events, a private yacht party, a fantasy island party, dinner at the best restaurants, tiger park, temples, elephant sanctuary, celebrity golf tournament. We got the ballin' on a budget package, a no-frills package for those who just want to come and see what Thailand's about with non-stop events from start to finish. And if you can afford to step your game up to the next level, we got the Hangover Package. The Hangover Package is only for those that can go from start to finish. This package is not for the faint of heart. And finally, we have the Executive Pack. For those who like to do things in style, have the best of the best, and keep certain things private. This package is designed for people who are used to riding first class, staying at the best hotels, eating at the best restaurants, and living in the lap of luxury. Bring your friends, bring your family. Zoom Fest is for everybody with the right attitude and the right frame of mind. For more details, hit me up on the email zoomtothailand@gmail.com. This event will be held December 2024. Limited packages available, so get your deposits in and let's begin. Consultations with all details will be included in the packages. No excuses. It's time to Zoom to Thailand for Zoom Fest 2024. 12 days, 11 nights, 2 cities, 1 island, and an unforgettable experience that no one's gonna believe when you get back home. Questions will be answered at zoomtothailand@gmail.com. Now let's get back into it.
Shout out to L, living like a king if you could not tell. You really can't hate a brother, there really ain't another. It's a new world that you can discover. Zoom Tribe, Zoom Tribe. You know that it's the Zoom Tribe. Zoom Tribe, rep that ZTT, ZTT, travel OG, ZTT, yes indeed, Zoom, taking off, yeah, we flying. You ain't never seen nothing like it. We zoom into Thailand, Zoom, taking off, yeah, we flying. You ain't never seen nothing like it. We zoom into Thailand, go.
All right, you guys, we're gonna check out the new Zoom to Thailand L Boogie Richie Mac. Hey, there it is. That's the original picture. Shout out to Bill and his girl for taking that picture for us. And then from that picture to the lady that did these canvases, man, and it looks even better than the actual picture, you guys. How'd they do that, man? They made me look young and vigorous. Y'all make sure you guys come to the B52 gallery. That's who did that. They got good work. They got everything. Oh, and they got another Zoom to Thailand. Swadika. How are you?
I'm okay.
B52.
Yes.
Yeah, we at B52, ladies and gentlemen. What an amazing job they did. They do everything, man, from Buddhas to Zoom to Thailand. You see it? You see it? What a good job. Thank you so much. And you know you got to take care of your face, right?
For all your finding needs, from your head down to your feet, put your mind and body at ease. Quit complaining, get your teas hanging. Face your skin, deep cleaning, we stay on and dangerous. All soaps do the most, you looking rich and famous. You want a product, put in work, get your teas hanging. Clear up the spots that go berserk, get your teas hanging. Pick up a box and put you first, get your teas hanging. Trip all the spots and watch it work, get your teas hanging. Teas hanging, your skincare product endorsed and used by the Travel OG and Big Bass. Pick up yours today. Go to teeshangley.com and order yours. You D.
Wait, hold on. Where you going? Where you going with your little kimono on? Wait, hold on El Guapo. Let me see. That's my guy, but what you doing? Hold on. Let me pause this pause. Okay, you about to get dark them big old legs? Oh, she got it already set up. Look, you got the towel. All right, dude, go on, do your thing, girl.
You cannot see?
Cannot see.
I believe big eye.
I got big eye, but I didn't see this. I didn't see you put the blankets out there. When'd you do that?
You cannot see me that?
Nah, I was watching El Guapo, man. He's getting down. He cooking over here. He cooking over here. I just seen you walk by in your little kimono dragon outfit. Oh, El about to take it off and get some. This is what you do when I'm playing golf, huh?
But today you not say God, but I think sun good, you know.
Yeah, the sun is good. Go on and get you some color, baby. I remember.
Good, but
That vitamin D is good for you. Get some. You did. Hey. All right. Yeah, I can't show y'all. Elle about to get she about to get loose. Let me see what's going on. I ain't supposed to be recording this, but you know, I like to see the shit I ain't supposed to see. You dig? Let me see what we got going on here. Let's see. Is she gonna give us something? What kind of style is that? What you got up there? Looks like a little raccoon sitting on the top of her head. Let's see, y'all. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, shit. She don't even know that I'm looking right at her. This is what she be doing when I be out playing golf, y'all. She be on her phone, in her bikini, laying out getting dark. You guys, what makes this interesting is that I swear to you, man, when she first started getting dark, like when I used to tell her that I think that's beautiful, she didn't really understand. Her mother would see her and be like, why are you so dark? She was like, because that's what my man likes. You understand me? We can see Elle, but we can't see that big old leg. Can I sneak the camera up a little bit, y'all? Y'all want to see something? She a little tiny little waist. Looking like a little Asian superhero. See a little tiny little waist. Okay, we see you. We see you. You don't see us, but we see you. Salute to y'all, man. Leave a comment in the comment section, man. Is it wrong for me to be spying on my girl while she getting dark for me? You think this is wrong? Oh, okay, that's how she do it. She do it like the paparazzi might catch her. She might hear me talking. She can't hear me talking about all that. She go, oh, that's it. All right, y'all, that's all y'all get. Wait a minute. Should I? Let me see. See, y'all, let's creep up. Let's creeping and crawling, yiggy, yes, y'all. And ooh, them big old legs.
Catching flights, name the price, I'm on that boat. We on that boat. You flew her out for the clout, we call that home. We call that home. Wesley Snipes, black, that go be glowing. That go be glowing. Big bad, zoom to Thailand, she be knowing. She be tuning in, soon as I get groomed in. We ain't jumping, brooming. Focus, baby, zooming. Ain't no way we booming. Off the plane, we knew me. Ain't no one for two men. Just come and trust me, you win. Baby, she got back, it ain't pancake flat. She all that, plus a flat. She ain't fat. She get cooked, she get clean, she get crack, neck back. She like rap, like her man, mostly black. She get move to the beat like. She love it when I speak right. Baby, give me treetop. Make me wanna beatbox. Stick 'em. Make you wanna pick 'em. She never play victim. Spot 'em. We got 'em. No problem. Massage it. My top, my bottom. I'm happy you follow. No stresses, no sorrows, no cops, just models. Rub me, she love me. We do it all over tomorrow. Catching flights, name the price. I'm on that boat. We on that boat. You flew her out for the clout. We call that home. Wesley Snipes, black, that go be glowing. Big bad, zoom to Thailand, she be knowing. She be tuning in, soon as I get groomed in. We ain't jumping, brooming. Focus, baby, zooming. Ain't no way we booming. Off the plane, we knew me. Ain't no one for two men. Just come and trust me, you win. Take a L anytime for the team. Take caddy of the day. Yeah, she looking real mean. I mean, she bad. I mean, she fake. I mean, she mean. She don't talk back. All she do is and clean. I left the U.S. overseas. I'm the king. Catching flights, never feelings. Ding. You ain't gotta fuss and fight. Pack your things. Don't meet me, beat me at the spot. We on the scene. Zoom tribe, all my melanated homies.
Zoom to Thailand. Hope hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for sure. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mack, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mack, travel OG, let's go.